seeing 70-mile-an-hour winds near the center.
Oh, I hope our lights stay on.
It's a freaking hurricane in the wintertime.
It's a hurricane blizzard. Oh, I gotta go get the chicken. Gotta go get the chicken. Okay, we're gonna go get the chicken now. See if the chicken wants to come in. Come on, chicken. Chicken. Come on, chicken. Whoa, look at all the snow. I mean, this all came down within the last 2 hours. Ooh, chicken. Come on, chicken. Chicken. Come on, chicken. Chicken. Hurry up. Got a blizzard. Chicken. I hear you in there. Okay, now make me come and get you. Okay. There you go. Oh, wait. Where's the chicken? Oh, I see chicken tracks. There's chicken tracks leading under. Come on, chicken. Wanna go in? Chicken, come on. Chicken, I see you under there. Come on, you ready to come in? Chicken. I know, chicken. Come on. Okay, I'll put the camera down. Chicken, come on. Chicken tracks. Chicken, come on. Chicken. Chicken, come on out. Chicken. You want to go in? You want to go in? Come on, you want to go in? Come on. Come on. Okay. You don't want to stay out here, chicken. Oh, snow on the winds. It's a blizzard. It's a giant blizzard, hurricane, thunder, snow. Just the beginning. Oh, gotta get the chicken in. Chicken's hiding under the deck. I'm gonna try again. Oh, the door's hard to open. Okay. What?
Potentially record-breaking snowfall, hurricane-force winds, and dangerous travel conditions. We have the hour-by-hour forecast you want and need to know. Plus, live reports from our meteorologists in the field giving you ahead of the storm.
And I'm meteorologist Jim Cantori here at the Boston Common, where we are now officially at Logan, 1.5 mile and moderate snow.
Okay, that chicken better be ready to come in. Okay, now, chicken, I know you're under the deck. You gotta come out from under the deck. It's snowy out here. Come on, chicken. Come on, chicken. Chicken, come on. I see you. You wanna come in? You're still picking around under there? I know it's snowing. See if we can see the chicken. I guess she's still busy picking. You still busy picking? I guess it's pretty nice under there. Chicken. You ready? Well, let me know when you're ready to come in, okay? You ready yet? No? You gotta pick around a little more? Okay. You find bugs under there? It's not so bad under there. Okay, I'll be back later.